Hello hi everybody, welcome to the new episode. So today we are going to shoot about a Lexus Is250 review. So I got today with my brother Ashi. So he has got his car, like he's using a couple of years this car, and we're just taking a small review about the car. And first of all, we are not an expert about the car, so if anything wrong, just ignore please. So I'll give a look of Lexus. Okay, this is Ashi.
Hi guys.
Okay, Ashi, how long are you using this car?
3 years so far now.
Okay, so how's going?
For me it's like one. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like a guy who goes a little bit faster.
Yeah.
A couple of long drives, so I keep this always with me. It's like a part of my life.
Okay.
I take it for daily use as well. So I would say people who want to have a sedan with pretty much nice power,
Yeah.
I would recommend this one.
Okay. So which model is this car?
This is Lexus Is250.
Is250.
250, which means like the sedan segment of premium.
Yep.
It has 2.5
Yes.
cc and it's a V6 engine.
Okay.
It's pretty powerful for a V6.
Yes.
Compared to mileage, I have done more than 1k now.
Yeah.
So no problems or no issues yet. I
Okay.
had some startup troubles for my startup motor because you have to change the startup motor after 1k. So I have to change it. Apart from that,
Oh, 100k or 1k?
100k.
Okay.
So I did 100k in this.
Yeah.
So pretty much okay.
Yes.
with it. I haven't done any modifications yet.
Yeah. But you got alloy wheel, eh?
That's all part of it.
Yeah.
So these alloys and all are part of it. You
Yes.
can change it. It's a 17 inch. It's a 17 inch mag.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty decent one for 17 inch actually.
Okay. So we're just heading to other spot. It's really sunny here, so it's like I think the video clarity is not really well. So we just moving the other station, moving to the other spot, and he's just doing the reverse.
Let's go.
So I'm gonna show you the dicky space.
It's pretty spacious.
Okay.
I have
Nice.
a light, I think.
Yeah.
That's my stuff. Don't worry about it.
That's all good. Yeah, that's good.
And it has the spare tire inside
Oh, okay.
under this section.
Tail lamp. You can see the tail lamp. It's pretty cool. So, what is the mileage in there? Like,
So in the city,
Yeah.
I'm getting around, I would say 11, 10.
Oh, okay.
That's all. That's
For
all.
a short trip or long drive?
short trip. So
Okay.
if you go for a long ride,
Like highways and expressways?
yeah, I would get around 14 maybe.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's all we get for these kind of huge cars.
Yeah.
So you guys have to expect that in mind when you
Yeah.
buy a car like this.
And which year made? 2000,
It was 2005.
2005, okay. But still it's very
So
good
if
condition, yeah.
If you want to use an Is250,
Yeah.
always buy between 2005 and 2008.
How much will be the approximate cost?
In New Zealand now, if you can get a good one under 60 or 80, I'm not too sure. It will be costing you around 12 grand
Okay.
to 15 at the moment.
Okay.
Because the price is reducing.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's a good modification vehicle.
Oh,
I
okay.
can show you the
Engine, yeah. And I don't think so this car in India?
No.
No, not in
no,
India.
it's-
Right. see the V6, and it's all covered. See the engine
It's
is
all covered,
all
yeah.
covered.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
covered. So basically, you have to look after this one
Yeah.
very much. So
Okay.
that's the engine.
Yeah. It's pretty
So
clean
that's
still.
the V6.
See,
As you can see.
it's how long is 2014 years now, but still
Yeah.
looks very clean and
So,
tidy.
If you use it regularly, do the service properly,
Yeah.
yeah, I would say this is a good guy,
Yeah.
worth the money.
Yeah. And how far you take? How often you take to the workshop or maintenance?
I usually sometimes
Servicing,
if I-
yeah, servicing.
Yeah, servicing. If I go too many trips,
Okay.
6 months.
6 months.
Usually it doesn't need 6 months, but I just wanna make sure everything is okay when I ride.
Yeah.
And the other thing is there are some things like you can pop out the window when you're outside.
Okay.
So I'll just show you.
Yeah.
So, like you're coming out on a hot sunny day and you just don't want to enter the car.
Yeah.
So you just press the key button. And then-
Yeah.
So it will automatically slide down.
Okay. And it's keyless, eh?
Yeah, and it's keyless as well.
Yeah.
So it will help.
And I will show you the inside. It's
Oh,
quite messy, but still you can see the seats. What kind of seat is a leather seat or?
It's a leather seat.
Okay. And see, you can't. There's nothing. Like, it's pretty clean seat. See, it's 14 years old car, but you can't. You won't feel like it's 14 years old car. You can see the beautiful Lexus logo, and it's automatic engine. Sorry, automatic gear. And
I'll show you some pretty precise stuff
Yep.
in this. So it can do manually as well. So
okay.
I like doing manual
Yeah.
in long rides.
Okay.
If you drive more than 100, some people like very comfy ride, but
Yes.
if you wanna enjoy some power, I'll put this guy in the sports mode.
Okay.
So this has the paddle shift. This
Yeah.
is paddle shift.
Yeah.
All the latest car has that paddle shift.
Okay.
You guys can use this to move the car actually pretty easy. No need to touch this one. Put it
Yeah.
onto the manual shift.
Yeah.
Play with this one.
Okay.
And if you want more power, you have an extra power option over here. I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah.
So it has two modes. Like you can use the power mode,
Yeah.
and you can use the snow mode.
Okay.
So that's for extra traction control.
Yeah.
I haven't used the snow yet.
Oh, okay.
It gives pretty much good drive in it when
Yeah.
it's on the snow, honestly. I only taken this car to, let's say, more than 7 hours drive at a stretch.
Okay.
It performs very well.
Yeah.
Mostly it was a cruise control, so I get a good mileage as well in that drive.
Okay.
It was up to Napier, so
Yeah.
it was more than 300 to 400 kilometers.
400 kilometers. Yeah.
Yeah, so at a stretch.
Yeah.
So very smooth and easy. You can do it in a full tank. And it has a 60-liter full tank.
Okay.
60 liters. So
Yeah.
it takes a lot of, like more than $110
Yes. Yes.
to do a full gas. And when I speak to gas, I always use a 98 or a 95.
Or premium one.
I always use a premium. For this kind of car, you want to use a premium.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess with that. So
Okay.
you can get for the cheaper price 91, but I will never use.
Yeah.
I always use the premium one for this
So
car.
you recommend it to?
All of the premium car users, I would say use the premium just
Yeah.
for the quality of the engine
Yeah.
and make sure everything is perfect on the corrosion inside the cylinder. So
Yeah.
pretty easy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive. It's like 20 cents extra, but
Still,
I
it's
don't want to
worth
mess
it.
up the engine, so
Yeah.
I keep it very
This
simple.
logo is beautiful. Honeycomb. See the Lexus logo, and we just put the headlight. Yeah. Oh, this looks cool. So this car is we highly recommended, and if you are in New Zealand, you can buy this car. I think it's most of the countries is available, but Lexus anyways Toyota's premium brand, so you know Toyota how good they are. So yeah, and we just gone for a ride and we'll see how the engine and performance. All right.
So when I get to the motorway, I can show you the manual.
Okay.
Manual power.
Yeah.
Hope we can do some motorway.
And it looks like the engine is so smooth. You can't even.
We're going to sell looks, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you the manual now.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy when you drive. Nothing much to worry.
Okay.
Car is very like under control always. Anyone can drive a car like this, to be honest.
Okay.
Just need to be careful. Very quick, that's all. It's pretty smooth and easy. So I'm gonna put in manual now.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do that.
Okay. So we are heading to the motorway now.
So I'm gonna start the paddle shift soon.
Okay.
So I'm already on the paddle shift. You can
Oh.
see the power
Yep.
going in. I'm just waiting for that guy to go out. Okay.
So you on a.
I'm on the paddle shift, so see
Okay.
how fast it's going.
Yep. Yep. Yeah.
So
We can see that power. You know, we can feel that power.
it's pretty faster than normal cars, so I have to slow down, guys. So that's it pretty much. And if you want more power, I put it on a power mode,
Yeah.
and he goes more faster than it looks like. So
Yeah.
see, it goes on 120 faster.
Okay. Yeah.
I cannot do that in this. It's a 80 zone.
Yes. Yes. That's right.
We are already on 150.
Is it?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
within a couple of seconds we went back to 150.
So how long is take to 0 to 100?
0 to 100 in couple of seconds. I haven't timed it perfectly, so
Like less than 10 second would be.
less than 10, less than 4 or 5 seconds. That's for
Okay.
sure.
So
In
one more
manual.
thing, we are not really expert in cars, so
So, but
Yeah.
this car gives me perfect ride. To be honest,
Yeah.
like I got put in cruise control always, just relax. Even put on aircon, I still have the power coming in.
yeah.
So yeah.
And the air condition is really good, and air condition and heater is really.
So it's pretty auto everything.
Yeah.
I think the temperature is pretty high. It's I dropped it down. Sunny day.
And we are heading to the.
The side is on.
Yeah. So we are heading to the one of the longest tunnel in New Zealand. I'll show you around. Anyway. And it's got a camera everywhere, so we have to be careful on edges. This is recently built this tunnel, right?
Yeah, like less than 2 years.
Okay.
They opened it. Pretty good one. Actually, this tunnel saves a lot of time. So.
Yeah, it is. Road safety is pretty.
It's not about the road safety. The fine you get is pretty high. To be honest.
New Zealand police is very good at traffic. All the traffic offences. So we forgot to talk about the music system. How was the music system?
Music system, it has the Harman Kardon.
Yeah, and it's good one.
music system. Yeah, that comes with all the normal Is250.
Okay.
That's the factory default one. You
Yeah.
can update if you want. So it's a good one. Gives good bass and nice voice. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
So it's so Lexus
Is250.
I
It's pretty good one. Yeah,
Yes.
I would recommend anyone who has some power. Who
Okay.
wants some nice power and yeah, some top speed cruising.
Okay, so it's highly recommended car. So guys, please watch the video and we'll see you in another video. Thank you.